Moi guys! Welcome back to my channel. Today we will speak about the Faber-Castell Compendium. In particular, in a previous video haul, I show you this amazing Christmas gift that I received, and I thought that was quite useful to speak to you in more details about all the products that are contained inside. So without further ado, let's get started. So the name of the product is the 64 Compendium wood case, and it contains a lot of professional product. When we take off the secondary packaging, you remain with a wood case that is very sturdy and very elegant, and you can find the Faber-Castell brand name on the center of it. It is securely closed, and when you open it, the first thing that you notice is the booklet. It's this little book, and inside this little book there are a lot of very useful information. There is a little bit of history about Faber-Castell brand. Then there are some of the products that are produced by the brand, and in particular polychromos product. And then there are some suggestions on how to use the product. So how to shade in them, how to use in dense color, how to draw on color paper, and so on. So very useful tip. But the most interesting part is at the end, where you can find the color chart with all the color of all the products that you find inside the compendium, and in particular you can find also all the light fastness for each product. The compendium wood case is composed by two tiers, and in particular we are going to see the upper tier, in which we can find a selection of monochrome peat pastels, and also we can find some accessories. So starting out with monochrome peat pastels, as you can see here there is a plastic protection so they don't do a mess around, and there are 8 sticks inside the compendium, and they are all with earthy color, and there is also a black and white. They are amazing, especially for drawing and live drawing. Then we proceed with a metal sharpener, and I can assure you this is an amazing sharpener. I already use it and I love it with polychromos, especially on the color side. Then we have a kneadable eraser, and it is sealed because I didn't use it yet, because I have another one, and you can use it for all the products that are contained inside the compendium, so it's very handy. Then we have a blender, a paper blender, and if you don't know how to use it, you can see my video about the 5 tools that I really love and changed my life as an artist. Then we have a normal peat pencil, is the 9000 series and is an HP. Then we have a peat graphite Pure 2900 9B, and this is a graphite woodless pencil. Then we have a brush that we can use with the watercolor pencils that we can find inside. Then we have a peat oil-based pencil in the color Sanguine. It's the most used color for life drawing figures, and I love to use it to sketch. Then we have another peat pastel in this amazing dark rich brown, and I also love to sketch with this. And we can find also another peat pastel, but in this case is a soft pastel in white that you can use for highlight, for example, or you can use it on black paper and color paper. In the end we can find a peat charcoal soft, and as you can see I didn't use it yet, but it's amazing to do live drawing and sketches in general. In the bottom tier we can find the polychromos color pencils, we can find polychromos crayons, and we can find the watercolor Albrecht Dürer color pencils. Starting with the polychromos color pencils, in particular you will find 12 polychromos color pencils inside the set, and there are all the primary colors, the black and white, so actually it's more than enough to obtain every color that you can imagine in your drawings. So here I will show you all the 12 swatches of the color pencils, so you can have an idea of what you get with the compendium. And here you can see me drawing with these color pencils, and I can say that I really love them because they were soft, but not soft as my luminance, for example, from Caran d'Ache, and I can control details a lot better than them. Then we can speak about polychromos sticks, and also in this case we have 12 crayons that we can use, and as you can see there is the number of the color on each stick, and also there are the stars, that means the light fastness of each stick. Also here the selection is very good, there are a lot of primaries color and also horticolor and the black and white. And you can see me here, just try them out for the first time. I never used this kind of medium and I have a lot of fun. I will leave you also the link at the video here on the top right corner. And on the right we can find the Albrecht Dürer watercolor pencils. The color selection here is exactly the same as the previous color selection for the other product, so it's quite useful because you can obtain through blending every color that you need. And I already tried them out, especially for sketching, because I would like to sketch and then blend a little bit the colors together with water. And that's it, guys. I really hope this video was useful, especially if you are thinking to buy this compendium, because as we know they are quite expensive, and looking up online I didn't find exactly a price, but I can say that it is around $200 or euros. So I thought it was quite useful to know what is inside and what you get in details before you buy it. So if you liked the video, please give us a thumbs up, don't forget to subscribe to don't miss any other content. See you next time, moi moi!